express the first quantity as a percentage of second. So this one is the first quantity of 1 by 2. So that means out of this is your total value, second one is a total value, out of this you are getting this one, so that will be what percentage? So that means 2 by 3 of 1 by 2. So 2 by 3 of 1 by 2 you have to write in the form percentage. So 2 by 3, 2 by 1 into 100, 400 by 3, so 133.33%. 2 number, if 12.2% of a certain amount is this much, find the amount. That means 12% of some value is this one. Okay, so find the amount. So what is the total value? Suppose you are given the cost of something is 5,000. Okay, so that 12% discount you are giving, so 12% discount is this much. So then what is the total value? The total value you have to find, this one you have to find. So that number we don't know, so I have taken let the amount be x, this amount be x. So that means 12% of certain amount, so 12% of x is this one. According to question this is given na. So 12.5% of x is equal to 62.50. So 12.5% of x means 12.5 by 100 into x is equal to 62.50. So cross multiplication to x, 12.5 into x will be 62.50 into 100. This 12.5 I have shifted to the denominator. So now 12, here 2 decimal, here 2 0. So that means all that it will be 6 to 5. Then 12.5 decimal you remove, then it will be 10, 125, 50. Oh sorry, 62.50 into 100, then this one 12.5 will come to the denominator, 12.5. Here how many decimal places? This 0, after decimal 0 has no value, so 1 decimal places here 2 0, so 6250. Okay, and here 12.5. now this decimal if you remove, 6250 into 10, 12.5, 125. This 125 into 5 is 625, and here 0 is there, so this 0 will come here. So 550 into 10, 500. That is your answer. Okay, now the question number 9. The cost of a theatre ticket is increased by 40% for a special movie. What is the new price if the normal price was 160 rupees? Normal price, that means original price is your 160, from that your cost is increased up to 40%. So what is the new value, new price of the of the ticket? So percentage increase, that formula we know na, percentage increase, amount increase, because here increase is given, so I have to write here amount increase by original quantity into 100. Okay, so amount increase how much? 40%. Amount percentage increase is 40%, and amount how much it is increased we don't know, so that is I don't know, that's why I have taken it as a x. Okay, that means amount increase is equal to x. Original quantity how much? Your previous cost is, original cost is 160 rupees into 100. Okay, so x into 100 by 160 and 40 here. This percentage I have removed because both side percentage is there. So 40, this 0 will get cancelled. Again this 0 and this 0 I can cancel. So x will be cross multiplication, you do 4 into 16, 64. That means your amount increase is 64. Previous value of the ticket cost is how much? Theatre ticket cost is 160 rupees. From that it is increased 64. That means 160 plus 64 it will be 224. So that is the cost of your new price of the ticket. Okay. Now see the MCQ. What percent of this is this one? So I don't know that percentage, so I have written x percentage of this is equal to 0.0117. So x by 100 into this one is 117. X by 100 see 169 is equal to 13. Okay, 0.0169 here 4 decimal places, that means answer will be in 2 decimal places, that means 0.13, isn't it? So 0.13 is equal to x by 100 into 0.13 is this much. So cross multiplication if you do, then 117 divided by 1.17 divided by 0.13, then if you do the cancellation you will get the 9. So your D option is correct. The numbers, this question is very important. The sum of two number is 28 by 25 of the first number. The second number is what percentage of the first? Here it is given, suppose two number is there, one is x and another one is 1. The sum of two number is given, this one is suppose first, this one is second. 28 by 25 of first one. So you have to find the second number is what percentage of the first. So in this case what I will do to make you understand, that's why I have taken x and y. So for solving this problem we have to take, suppose let the first number be 1 I have taken, because then only it will be easy, because percentage you have to find na. So if I take this 1, then only you have, if you multiply 28 by 25 of x means your 1, then it will be easy for you. So after that you no need to do the multiplication. That's why for my convenient I have taken it as a 1. Okay, so let the first number be 1. According to question what is given, this one is the second number and the first number is 1. So sum of the two number x plus 1 is 28 by 25 of the first one. This one is the first number, and here you can write let the second number be x. Okay, let the second number be x. So x plus 1, according to question it is given x plus 1 is 28 by 25 of the first. What is the first? 1. So x 28 by 25 of 1 means 28 by 25 only. This plus 1, if I shift this it will be minus 1, then it will be how much? LCM you take 3 by 25. So x we have got. Now the question it is given that the second number is what percentage of the first. The second number is what percentage of the first. So percentage of y of first, isn't it? Y of first percentage. So y is how much? 3 by 25 of first into 100. So 3 by 25 of first means first number is 1. So 3 by 25 into 1. Percentage is given, that's why I have written it as a 100. So this, if you do the cancellation, 25 4 is 100, 3 4 is 12. So answer will be 12. So with this your exercise 8A is completed. Next we will discuss 8B.